Get ready, start. I am directed to address you on the subject noted above and to say that in connection with the grant of benefits of military service within the framework of relevant statutory rules and instructions issued by government from time to time, a question has arisen whether the benefit of military service with seniority and pay etc. should be admissible on the first appointment of the released army personnel concerned in a civil post or even on subsequent appointments. Full stop. This question has been considered by government in consultation with the government of India, and it has been decided that the concessions and benefits admissible to ex-servicemen or released army personnel in respect of their past service in the armed forces are to be restricted only to their first civil appointment after their release from the army and not for further appointments. Full stop. This decision is based on the principle that only against first appointment on regular basis after release from the army that a person can be considered a candidate in his capacity as released army personnel and ex-servicemen as the case may be, but as soon as he joins first appointment he ceases to be so and cannot be treated as such for his subsequent appointment. Full stop. For latter appointments his entity in relation to the previous appointment only is to be kept in view. Full stop. Next para. I am further directed to request you that the above decision may be kept in view at the time of extending concessions and benefits of the military service to the released Indian Armed Forces personnel and ex-servicemen absorbed in state government services. Full stop. Next para. Government have also under consideration the question of exempting the released emergency commissioned officers, short service commissioned officers and other ex-servicemen from the payment of prescribed application and examination fees in respect of the applications for recruitment to state services. Full stop. It has now been decided that in future all released emergency commissioned officers and short service commissioned officers may be exempted from the payment of application and examination fees in respect of competitive examination to be held by the Punjab Public Service Commission or Subordinate Services Selection Board, provided they were not relieved from service on their own request before the completion of their normal tenure of service under the Government of India. Full stop. The cost of the application form will, however, continue to be charged from them. Stop.